What is negative number? Maybe you're looking for the root of the second equation. For example, the square of x minus 1 is equal to y. Negative 1 has the root and positive 1. You can also find these by setting y to 0 and rearranging. But what about the other equation? The square of x plus 1 is equal to y. This equation seems to have no root. It will never touch the axis of x. This is a substitute. The square root of x is equal to negative 1. This is not a real number. Then your intuition may be to give up here. Assuming that this equation cannot be solved at all, or the opposite, you try something different. You imagine some numbers. For example, the square of I is equal to negative 1, or the square root of I is equal to negative 1. This allows us to solve the equation as x is equal to positive 1. The problem with this idea is that it seems to be nonsense. For example, where's the number on the math equation? Well, let's start with the square of I, or negative 1. Notice what happens when you multiply a number by n. This means that you move to negative n by negative 1. If you repeat this action, you will return to your original number n. In a sense, it means that the negative 1 is the rotation of 180 degrees on the number line. Maybe the square root of 1 should be the accident of negative 1. It's the rotation of 90 degrees of I. Similarly, negative I must be equal to the rotation of 180 degrees of I. This seems to create a new axis. The two axes, the real and imaginary axes, are called negative plane. The number on the negative plane is composed of two parts. A real number part, which defines the location of the number on the real visit. A virtual number part, which defines the location of the number on the virtual visit. These two parts together form a real binary digital system. This number can be anywhere in the binary space, just like a real number can be anywhere in a ground space. A lesson learned from this is that a problem that is impossible needs to be changed to make it clear. Like and subscribe.